Are you looking a super resilient block on block new construction home, 2-story, which is located in a very quiet community in Central Florida? This property that I'm gonna tour you is the best fit for you right now. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My name is RJ Bautista, your favorite credible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. If you don't know, we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time a new construction VIP tour, a new construction deal just for you, and you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe, hit or smash that like button if you find this helpful and useful. And also share this video to all your family and friends who would like to own a new construction and also live here in the beautiful city of Central Florida. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to the gray model by Onyx. Is the builder of this beautiful home, which is 2100 or over 2100 square footage, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage with a very good interior and exterior as well. I will explain to you the material they use in this particular home and also the point of interest, the location, what you can have while living in this beautiful community and quiet community as well, right? So we are here in the first bedroom. This first bedroom downstairs consists of 12 by 12. You will have this double door closet here, a nice windows here, and you can have this room as your office room or a guest bedroom or additional bedroom. Whatever you prefer, whatever works for you, you can do that. Here on the second room is your first bathroom. You will have a porcelain tiles here. As you can see it here, they use a very good material here. You will have a single sink there, a quartz countertop, and a toilet as well. Very good material, and I love it. You can have a smart system home here as well with additional cost if you want to have that later on after you own this property or after you close this property if you buy this property. Here is the open concept floor plan. You can have this beautiful open concept floor plan. You will have your kitchen here, dining area, and also your living room area, which is an open and very good as well. What I love about this, you will notice here you will have a very long and big windows, which gives you a very good natural light. And if you have a natural light in your home, it means your home looks bigger because of the natural light. You will have the living space area there, your dining areas as well. You can fit 6 to 8 chairs with a table there. And here in the kitchen area, you will have this big slab or a center island with quartz countertop, and this is gonna be your kitchen here. You will have a double sink there, a fully tiled countertop here, and a quartz countertop. And also you will get these appliances for quick moving home, right? And this particular room, this is gonna be your pantry room, which you can have a plenty of space for your food to store in this particular room. And this access door is towards to your 2-car garage. You will have a pretty big 2-car garage here. What I love about this, your 2-car garage is attached to your pantry, which is I very highly recommend and I like, because after your food shopping, you can straight to your pantry with no problem and no issue. A very good situation, which is I love. And here we are heading here in the covered patio. You will have a dirty kitchen here. This dirty kitchen is optional and it's upgraded. So if you want to have a dirty kitchen, that's you need to cost you for you to build in after you close the property. And as well as the screen there, if you see the screen, that's another cost for you if you want to have that built after the closing. Here at the backyard, you will have a pretty big lot here. If you like a big backyard or a big lot, this property is the best fit for you, or this community is the best fit for you because they offer big size lot in this particular community, right? And now we are heading back to the room and we are heading to the second floor. But before we go to the second floor, I would like to show you is this additional room or storage room underneath of your stairs, which you can use it as an additional storage for you, which is very good. And now we are heading here on the second floor. What I love about this on the second floor or the stairs, you won't hear any squeak while you're going up because because the material they use here are very good that you cannot hear when you are going up and down because the material, right? I will explain that later on. Here on the second room that I'm showing you, this is gonna be your second shared bathroom. Upstairs, you will have the similar material or bathroom downstairs on here on the second floor. This is gonna be the second room here on the house. You will have, this room is estimated 10 by 10. You will have a pretty good closet size here, and you can fit a single bed here or a double bed or even a queen size bed will fit in this particular room. And you will have a double window here for your natural light. As I mentioned to you, they do a lot of windows here for natural light, which is I really love. It's a very modern home, which is I prefer because of the style of what they doing here. This door is your AC. You will have an AC there. And now we are here on the, your laundry area will be on the second floor. You will have a single sink here. The washer and dryer will be included on the inventory home. If you're going to build property from the ground, it is negotiable, right? Here in the third bedroom, you will have the size of 12 by 12 and a pretty big walk-in closet in this particular bedroom. As you won't notice it, they put a lot of space here on the walk-in closet on this bedroom. You can fit a double bed there or a king size bed or a queen size bed, which whatever you prefer, which will fit. And now we are here on the second floor of the final bedroom, which is the master bedroom. This master bedroom consists of 13 by 14, which is a pretty good size. And you can see in this particular area or this particular walk-in closet, you can put a lot of stuff or a lot of clothes in this particular closet. You won't notice that you have a big walk-in closet in this particular bedroom. And you will have plenty of windows here. As I mentioned earlier, they love putting a lot of windows for natural light. So you don't need to use a lot of lights or electric here during the daytime because the natural light will give you enough light in your home. So you will save a lot of energy. Here is another closet or another storage for you to use it. And here is your master and suite bathroom. You will have a private door toilet here that you can use, and you will have his and her sink here with white quartz countertop. And also in this particular bathroom, you will have a separated bathtub there and a shower area with a porcelain tiles, which is a very good porcelain tile. I love that tiles. It's very elegant when you are looking at it, and a very good style as well if you looking this particular home as well, right? So now let me talk to you about the construction or the material what they use here, right? So they use a commercial concrete. This is not just ordinary concrete, right? They use a very good, a very strong concrete what they use in commercial real estate here to make sure that this home is very resilient and very strong in the term of hurricane or storm here in Central Florida. And you will get a very good home insurance here because of the material they use, right? Which is a very good and very smart as well if you're going to purchase one of this home. And if you come to this home, you will feel like this home is very sturdy and very resilient in hurricane here in Central Florida. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the location. This community is located in Mascotte, which is in between of Groveland and Clermont area, right? And the point of interest here that I would like to talk about you is, first one is the historic downtown Clermont. So historic downtown Clermont, what you can do there, what is historic downtown Clermont? So historic downtown Clermont is you can go there and explore this community. You will have a farmer market there. You will have a park there that you can walk around. You can have a lot of restaurant. You can do shopping there. It's a lot of things that you can do in the downtown Clermont or historic downtown Clermont. And this particular community is just about 8.4 miles away and 17 minutes from the community itself. Very convenient. And the next one that I would like to talk about here is the Mascotte Charter School. The Mascotte Charter School is offering elementary, middle school, and high school all together. So if you have a kid or children that needs to go to school and you don't want to transfer them into different school from elementary to high school, this high school or charter school are offering you from elementary to high school with no problem, right? And the distance of this particular school to the community is just about 2.2 miles, 7 7 minutes away from the community itself. Very, very close, very convenient once again. And the next one that I would like to talk about here is Costco. So if you love Costco like me, this community is just about 14 miles away, 28 minutes if there's a traffic. If no traffic, it is about 20 minutes from the location itself. Very convenient again. And the next one that I would like to talk about here is the gym, or the CF Fitness, which is open 24 hours and located very close to the community, which is about 10 miles, 20 minutes away from the community itself. If there's no traffic, probably 15 minutes. Very convenient. If you like a gym freak or a gym addict like me, this community is the best fit for you. And the last one that I would like to talk about here is the Epic Universe. This Epic Universe is a new theme park here in Central Florida, which is part of Universal Studio. They have a lot of rides here. You will see the Super Mario World. This theme park itself is huge. That will give you a lot of fun for adults and for kids as well. And this particular area is about 35 miles. It's about 55 minutes if there's a traffic there or a rush hour. However, if there's no traffic and no rush hour, it will probably take you about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, which is very doable on this particular community itself from or to Epic Universe. Very, very good, very convenient community as well. So this is the video for today. Oh, before I forget, the CDD. There's no CDD in this community. If you don't like CDD, yes, this is another thumbs up for you, another checklist. No CDD. They have a HOA. The HOA will cover your internet and cable as well at the same time. So you will save a lot on internet because the HOA will cover it for you. Very, very good community, very good deal that you don't want to miss out. So this is the video for today. If you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home so I could see how many people who stay in this video until this end, and I appreciate your time watching my video until this end. And if you have any question, please feel free to inbox me to all my social media, or you can text me to my cell phone. It's 24/7. I promise you to get back to you as soon as I can. Once again, this is my video. I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Hold on, this one. No, this one. Peace. Bye.